guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you the Allure beauty box for August, and we're just going to unbox it, see what's in there. I hope there's some makeup in there. If there is, I will swatch it. If not, then I'm sorry. So we'll get right into it. Here is the Fresh Black Tea Advanced Age Renewal Eye Cream. It says it's anti-wrinkle, firming, brightening. I'll put the price right here, usually what it is, and it seems to be a good eye cream. So I mean, I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll definitely try it out and maybe update you guys. Next, they have the green tea seed hyaluronic serum. I think this is a Korean brand. Korean brand. I'm sure there's a Korean band out there too, but yeah. So this is a serum. I think this is for brightening. I can't be sure, but I think hyaluronic acid helps with brightening and with like just overall moisture. So I'll definitely have to see that because I feel like I do have a little bit more dry skin now. So we'll see how this goes. The next thing is the Glow Recipe. This is the mini version of it. This is the Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. I think you can definitely just use it in the AM and the PM. Dispense formula into palms and gently press into face and neck. So you can just kind of just use it all over your face and your neck. Their stuff is pretty good usually. I mean, I like it. They have like such cute bottles. Love this. I have used some of their products before, especially the watermelon ones, and I think they were good. I wouldn't say they were great, but they were good. So we'll see. And then let me unbox this for you. Yeah, this is like a typical Fresh bottle, what it looks like, and it's exactly like this. So I'll definitely have to try it out. Maybe I'll make my husband try it out too and see how it goes. Is this Tower 28 Juice Bomb Tinted Lip Balm. Okay, that's always cool. I will swatch that for you, like right here. That's the lip balm. I would try it out, but the red lipstick's gonna go. Kind of try it out there so you can see it against my skin, what it looks like. I might have to just use this in another video. I think it's pretty, but I have a feeling it won't show up that well on my skin, but we'll try it out. I'll put it on my list to try this out. And this is a Pearlescent Taupe Cream Highlighter from BFC. I've never heard of them. I'll post the price on the side. I'm not sure. Again, this is a sample, not for resale. I think this is a highlighter, so we can try it out. Okay. I don't know if you can kind of see that. Okay, not bad. I'm actually impressed. It's nice. Not bad, actually. That is the highlighter. I think it's actually not bad at all. It's actually pretty pretty. And I think if you're my skin tone, it's pretty nice. So I think that is it for the 2025 August box. Allure usually has pretty nice stuff. I think it's $25 a box per month. But yeah, they usually give out good stuff. At least one of the products ends up being the price, so it's like kind of works out. Let me know if you liked it, if there's anything you're excited to try about the Allure boxes, and I'll see you next time. Bye!